The newest robots for the future. Are you interested in the new robots of the future? Let's get an idea of what robots actually are. T-robots provide important services and peace of mind. Countries with strong technological infrastructures produce a wide range of robots for industrial, consumer, home, and commercial purposes. Industry 4.0 has several robots, including artist robots, that can paint any object in 3 minutes. This smart robot can sketch any photograph's topic or person. This digital robot thrives in malls and restaurants, where it can attract and retain customers. Next, we will discuss new different kinds of robotic inventions. Let's know how robots can behave like friends. New compact robots have 14 servo motors and can speak, recognize faces, read comic books, and communicate with humans. These motors can kung fu, dance, and more. 4G LTE connectivity and superior object identification allow the newest robots to go anywhere. Tired of house chores? Maid robots are popular because they make domestic chores easier. Robot housekeepers are cleaning up. Robotic mops, window washers, and other cleaners can clean hard-to-reach areas. Imagine having a picnic without cooking. Grillbot, an Industry 4.0 robot, cooks barbecue dishes. These advanced robots can clean hard-to-reach spots with wire brushes. No more caretakers required for elderly people now. The caregiver robot has great potential to help the elderly. It has made them feel less alienated, ensured that they take their meds on time, and helped them get certain essentials. This makes them feel better overall. Robots can make farmers' life easier. Let us see how. An autonomous farm tractor robot controls the 40,000-pound tractor for effective field plowing. 6 stereo cameras provide a 360-degree field of vision, with GPS navigation and 100 milliseconds picture processing. No more tension of forgetting the navigation. Autonomous self-driving boats are equipped with AI-powered cameras and depth sensors by Industry 4.0 robotics. Autonomous navigation makes berthing and docking faster and reduces the danger of accidents. Dealing with labor has always been a mess. Guardian Exo industrial exoskeleton will revolutionize construction and mining. First, battery-powered industrial robots are produced. The global robotics industry is expected to reach $189.36 billion in 2027, growing 13.5% annually. The internet is full of robots for Industry 4.0, which is altering the workplace. High-tech robots abound in the virtual world. The digital world will need robots in 2022.